Unlock a universe of stunning visual effects and elevate your After Effects projects with the powerful Sapphire plugin. First, let's get Sapphire installed. While the exact steps might vary slightly depending on your operating system, the core process is straightforward. Locate the Sapphire installer file you've downloaded from the Boris FX website. Double-click this file to launch the installation wizard. You'll be guided through a series of prompts. Generally, you'll want to agree to the license agreement and choose the default installation location, unless you have a specific reason to change it. During the installation, you'll likely be asked to select which versions of After Effects you have installed on your system. Make sure to check the box corresponding to your current After Effects version. The installer will then proceed to copy all the necessary files to their correct locations. This might take a few minutes, so allow it to complete without interruption. Once the installation is finished, you'll see a confirmation message. It's a good practice to restart your computer after installing new software, though it's not always strictly necessary for Sapphire. Now, let's dive into After Effects. Launch Adobe After Effects as you normally would. With your project open and a layer selected in your timeline, navigate to the Effects menu. You'll find a new entry called Boris FX. Hovering over this will reveal another submenu, and within that, you'll see Sapphire. Click on Sapphire and then choose the specific effect you want to apply. Sapphire offers an incredibly diverse range of categories, from blurs and glows to stylize and transitions. The Sapphire effect control panel will then pop up, giving you access to an extensive array of parameters to fine-tune your chosen effect. Experiment with the different sliders, color pickers, and other controls. You can adjust the intensity, color, distortion, and many other aspects of the effect to achieve your desired look. The real power of Sapphire lies in its deep customization options. To bring your effects to life, you can keyframe any of these parameters, allowing them to change over time and create dynamic animations. Simply click the stopwatch icon next to a parameter to start keyframing. By mastering the Sapphire plugin, you can transform ordinary footage into visually captivating masterpieces, making your content stand out and truly resonate with your audience.